Hello everyone. Microfinance, more than just a loan. Microfinance play a major role in Indian economy so that every group of people, or it's a small group or medium group, can able to get a finance so that they can able to start up a new business. So let us see uh, how this microfinance has been introduced. So, introduction of this microfinance may be defined as any activity that includes the provision of financial service such as credit, savings, and insurance to low income in individuals which fall just above the nationally defined poverty line and poor individuals which fall below that poverty line with the goal of creating social value. The creation of social value includes poverty alleviation, broader impact of improving livelihood, opportunities through provision of capital of micro enterprises. So, what are the concepts and features of microfinance? It is just a tool for empowerment of the poorest so that a poor people can able to start by collecting of or lending of loan to a group of people so that they can able to get a money and can able to start a small enterprises. Delivery is normally through self-help group SHG, that is called self-help group. So they can able to form a group so that they can able to borrow money from the group so that they can able to start a business. It is essentially for promoting self-employment, generally used for. It is a tool for empowerment of the poorest. Delivery is normally through self-help group. Because of microcredit is aimed at poorest, microfinance lending technology needs to minimum. Industry profile. The origin of microfinance, although neither of the terms microcredit or microfinance were used in the academic literature nor by development aid practitioners before 1980s and 1990s respectively, while the emergence of informal financial institution in Nigeria dates back to the 15th century. Role of microfinance. The microcredit of microfinance program was first initiated in the 1976 in Bangladesh with the promise of providing credit to the poor without collateral, eliminating poverty and unleashing human creativity and endeavor of poor people. Microfinance impact studies have demonstrated that. Legal regulations. Banks in India are regulated and supervised by the Reserve Bank of India under the RBI Act of 1934. Microfinance in India. At present, lending to the economically active poor, both rural and urban, is pegged at around rupees 7,000 crores in Indian banks. Credits outstanding as against this according to even the most conservative estimates the total demand for credit requirements. Microfinance changing the face of poor India. Microfinance is emerging as a powerful instrument for poverty alleviation in the new economy. So through this microfinance, many of the below poverty lines group of people can able to form a group so that they can able to start up a new business. So that is self-help group play today major role in the poverty elevation in rural India. A growing number of poor people, various part of India are members of SHGC, microfinance institution. So lot of institution has been established for providing small finance to a below poverty lines. Those group come forward for getting a loan and starting a new business. So institutions are perhaps one of the most important vehicles to reach the rural poor. These institutions can act as very important tool for providing rural entrepreneurs with microloans. Women empowerment. So women empowerment as micro and small entrepreneurs have increasingly become the key target group of microfinance program. Thank you.